Ebusianfo mamu nyina akwaba eba Ghana TV GH mesrel like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you'll be notified. I must say we edit the settings na season yes sir my bafi. That's we be able to yeah the MPP accept pano ebeko na kosa sema NDC for de no so no ebeka kire mu enti na settings na season no na yenko asem no so media ade ba kwa eyanka me fa nya asem ye for health, okay, but sometimes also no sometimes you are pushed to not by anybody but for some actions. Yeah, you see nipa nyakupo ashira no you can't fight the person. Nipa nyame ashira no. Yeah. And ene on say sa Parkinson's disease anka nya dia e di best try obi ansa e be say wish for somebody. You're not even your worst enemy. Not even your worst enemy. But today, why do we are people pushed to do that? Because of the kind of dirty politics and acrophobia or krumha. Yeah. Yeah. Obit say frankly, could you say the kind of dirty politics out there in money Africa or say money Ghana here, tia MPP abai. I say you need to say na any politics no na any you can say any activism no you na pure politics, dirty politics, manipulative politics. So why won't people now rejoice say we are? Because you have deceived people, you have led people astray. Yeah. With all the things MPP has done. Anyama nyina bebrea akufado ye no. Na mu amufre mo civil society. Na mo ko minister sesakabi na mo ko GO. So bi na dada mo. Ade. Why? Sometimes I ask myself because person me who say because some of these civil society organizations, CSOC, or Mosca, they get aids from outside the country, they get aid from inside the country. And I didn't really understand why bidding of a political party instead of doing what they're actually meant to do. Mr. Frank, could you say? Oh, for let's go and listen to NDC MPP Nibia Ferno S baby ni view. But for studio contributions no still a cost. Donation and contribution donation. Boy, why? I got 15,000. Naba no screen I say. Kitwabian so I must say na mo yen debia.
Ka o ma ko so ade ba chi no mu di matem e na me say so mo din say hu na mo ye o ma mo ti o omote pa
wo sa padu ayaka so
omote enti na ne ye nyan na e nyan chi
ya bi o na S baby wonti ya na ye be frɛ ayi alaji enel ye be to na alaji loto ene say wo news ya frɛ na alaji loto ya be frɛ na alaji loto ene na beba news front page alaji loto it's a man the be say the ye frɛ ne say eye empayi traditional media na your imagine say adwuma no mo nti ya she be tran ha ya mom edi edi ne ye be to na newspapers for nafa
yo me come asem so e amakoyin ni won e ya ahoye a won say kwa wa study bibia from Mahama besi NDC for na ngasa so no won say apart from NDC ni bi ya dia won say na e omoya MP ni soloku na okoye na o expect say nka nkrofo nko e na nyame gu na anim ase e na nkrofo ko nti e ho ahoye na o de kasa bebre no e ho ahoye na wa your program na ujina na waya wo sesa makra nti omugu keji mu wa hayi and I feel was in William and I was 3. Why we are so ya bay and they're not picky. Oh, how honestly. Oh, han bay and a be any you. I crack it why the water a whole region. Sabio, yana no tune for crowd or hobby. In Tinka, ya sha, Santi region, unka we a you ho, president ho. Because a whole in Asha once. And I when ya saw opportunity, and I would eat Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy, by Obian can't. Now the NDC Nangasa, there's no serious person in NDC. Ain't you know? I non per concert ni Jimmy for no. No one I make it fun of people. But now no and MPP, they make good MPP. Who bet me a good MPP?
Why can't answer me?
I am going, I don't know.
I don't know. Netaka mana butuno.
Ah.
Asa na no ente, na no ente.
Ebi ane doctor na oye no. Ebi ane doctor na oye ni nti minim doctor akro. Odi twa nkwala be ma wo hospital. Ne doctor na adwuma ode ye no. Na say nya wan watanko computer akra meka en so oye professor. Oye de ewi eche kosi se. Nti ama akoye ni so oye doctor mu kwa na mu ha mo. Dr. Ayensu Deputy Health Minister. Eri no be ka kire yen. Ekosi sen nti ada na mode ne doctor na oye ne ha mo no jina na ojimi na nkofo hu nka nkyere na ojimi kọ nti onyere ne ho na onyimi nkọ ye ne se ye hwe no but oye na adwin se MPP nti na nani abre and we are sorry because say asante form nti se votarians ebinum because they be amika say aigbefo na munim nyamsa no no mo MPP mu no nti se hu se obi apart from MPP for others no ma kan de o ma enwi ye ho Ashantis, omo ni madi ye, ina omo ni madi a enye, nti omo ni ina omo de hwe omo ni na omo de hwe NDC for say omo adwen say omo akoyi Dr. Makwene na no say so omo Jimmy and we are sorry for him. We are sorry. Mama wa ba wa mebo bra bia, yes ye bie coding center. Mo ma eho Ashanti region 3. Enye mu fault I blame those people who say na me nya hwe and Mr. coding centers no mo ba ko sua coding ni bia say yes mo dem mpe school yes mo fa school nya hwe mo fa nim dia nya hwe na money business and a business kura ko international level mo nim dia na wontimi nya business ya fo nya ye kura se ni na internet eno nso ni nyina ye de business enti yes mo dem mpe school o me dem nya santini ni bi yes, mon pay school. Into the Sam George, quasi am penny way, my motor centers. Are you before you deserve it? It's na mo free mo fear. Ye na ye free mo fear. Many animal come for ye na ye free mo fear. Ye be who say NDC in your party. NDC voice, mon take you straight bullet. Where they and I make time. I say, Mamma, monim nyanza na mo MPP. Into won't count. Won't count. Then. Na port for me say port na me de because me ku ka ho bi nti e me de pa say yes ye project a yen twa picture nto ho nti ya yire ye ho ene yen so yes ye ende we chire ni yes ye twa ye pictures ni videos de ato ho e say NDC court ne akodu no o ma chire nyansa okuro mu ha na Ghana for me say ye nya hu hwe ye hu hwe this is just the beginning. Port for mo ko strike mo sorry na mo ko bie port ni ntimi yen cars ne mo Jimmy ni yasoma mo ye de ai bre ma mo mpe me say di umuni ni enti NDC for rush na bibia no mpe so mo use digital because of doctor Antio on pe so mo ye bibi ba me minim say for sure hey they can't do even 5% of sa de no mo de si o mo ni so no eni si na ya na
sentence bia ne so mo ko ye o mo ehunu ye
Omo diri mika no ye de paperless buy won so omo cassette ya na AI no is not the same as paperless na ba de enhwe omo ntimi nye omo try so me use sa me ne de abokro no ba emfa because how omo ya ade no kura be pick na be ye issue ekuya guy now yes wanya de when de be me dey yare no I'm not interested in needing mo yeah, then you made a ben or do NDC.
Oh, yeah,
CSO for Nibia. He's
Yeah,
part of the
or
CSOs.
Nyame na
Imani,
etua
I
ne
think
yeah,
he's part of
democracy
Imani.
hub, Nana.
Nyame na etua ne ka. Monka je ne se
I lead democracy hub, Nana.
No. Democracy have your Raf ne
Democracy
Crawford.
hub.
Ene Oliver Baka Vomaho. But friends saying Franklin Cudjoe can Imani who also. Yeah.
Yeah, Imani Ghana,
Yeah.
okay, unso ono no anya Franklin Cudjoe na anya sa ya we no.
I want Parkinson.
Aha.
Franklin Cudjoe.
Okay,
Yeah.
nyame na etua ne ka. Franklin Cudjoe nyame na etua ne ka, nyame besa etua ne ka biem. One ne workers ne pe ne benya sa ya we no. Nti se ye de kwhye health insurance mu a Ghana ni bia agi so mom uto aba ma NDC dia get ready for that disease. Ubenya bi. Ba ye MPP for ye nya bi wo Yesu di mu. Ono kwa na oni bebi okofa free ye. Ewi ase wotena se na wano ye ya onkrofo bi a omo Nana Addo chese Nana Addo no nipa bi a ono no ye nka na asem o. Ono ka na asem o me responde o. Oja wo ma ne nyankopon. O kan say the battle is the Lord's. Ni e feel say dey. Agro no odi. There be o onim ne ntia na o kasa.
Asemi no so what do we need to nyame so a enipa nyina be oboga na fo dua na ne
Oboye ndua.
Nana Addo oboye dua ansa na
Ai. Ekuya.
That one you kokwatie ne ye. Dua bone so sunsuaso ene ye twa no.
Ye papa. Nana Addo ne nam hin na oye elections o. Na akọ comment section me se me hwe comments am se hey mo ye nyaatwom na na de beku mo. Enye mo na mo di Nana Addo atem no. Ene Nana mo fo se Nana Addo that wasn't the aim of Nana Addo the presidency no. Nana mama ono ne president no person obey because of person enriching the family ne mba. And no thing no person obey president. Inti mo say you people you got it wrong. Some of us once you nyane wrong totally.
Rapia bana the next person.
Who did the former president? Attempted they called him even a practitioner. What wabamo? Esiem na ko pass a bill. Esiem ako 70 million. Atama mo wunni mo akoto private jet.
Yep.
Is that a priority of Ghanaians?
Yes, according to Mahama.
Damadi kekri onyezi beno. Na ya mnyuka se koko farmers warusu. Teacher fu wa achiradu wontum ntia wonaka. Nurse fu gufie rusu. Mo from akoye military assistant mebi me ko ye de bi gina achew. Turumu na wala promise ye rusu. Sign
Chairman, ene de many adu, ene de many ade. Me boss shame, me boss lady shame. Boss lady, mwah. Boss lady o shame. Ene de me boss to try ene me that rough. Hey, I didn't tell Beyonce, one I won't call, I say, oh, I didn't tell Beyonce shame and me that too. Yanko, sorry,
Brother Felix. All day yenya asofa wo yenya midwuma wa Ghana. Na bakara sisi ama ye won hodi antichrist funa ne yenye won na Ghana ho no. Because asam no ye Ghana fu ye na enyi birisa mo.
But more questions too, Bawo. More questions on this same year, like.
Yeah.
Since you have read more deep, Ghana, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, mentality or yeah, decision about LGB one way. In check or you know, yeah. Or you know, like we know say it is something Ghanaians detested, like young people and I'm what.
But Felix, Mama Kama say Mincho, Middle Temple University, I had an admission.
Okay.
I was denied because of this my stance. At the time Professor Sadia was interviewing me, they even take decision based on that. They told me if I happen to be paired with somebody with said tendency. I told them, we are coming from Africa. We don't table these things. In my village, when people hear this thing, they lose appetite. What should me doing? Was the serious? Me and me feed them me a brave armor. What's come on, don't come here. Maybe do what
huh? Because maybe no abe school no more. Now I'm the work or your roommate be or your uncle phone. What willing to
work? Margina ambado. Let me feel that I was defending my values. I got punished for such stance because I'm a Ghanaian. This is what I believe in. We lost scholarship opportunities. Now a president, 93% of us.
That is what
And it is on the basis of this that we voted against one government. MPP for bebre want to aba because they were divided as to the position of our president because of how you people spoke on this topic.
Yeah.
Assemblies of God elder. Assemblies of God elder. Also for wakoto anointing oil from Israel with able guabeti. Pastor Abraham Lante, Otumo Tunyumo Kran, Mamma Crash Bibi, Mamma, me or ye PP Methodist paying, Otumo Bunchano Lucha Kufa do Batty. One sign at the MP because no what to have gen and this area one agent. President Mahama,
me pre clarification be. Sina Marcos.
Yes, boss.
Me pacho. Momo mekakra. What was the stand of the MPP during this LGBTQ?
We supported it. We supported the bill.
Yes, MPP was. You see,
me were big problem.
Uncle Joe, member, my member you see, MPP follow
because
MPP follow more learned and liberal people in our thinking. Even though the position of the party was against it, we had individuals and senior members of our party. They were liberal towards it because of the human rights aspect of it.
Yes.
Now, don't forget that the president's lawyer at that time, Papaya Nyamimfani Krensi, Akotampao, openly opposed it on the grounds of human rights.
Yes.
Into looking at somebody who defends the president, not openly. In fact, there were instances in their pronouncement on the grounds of human rights, they
were even part of it.
Exactly.
They even thought the Ursula cry.
Yes. Based on some of these utterances on the basis of human rights, some Ghanaians misconstrued it to mean that but of course, and this is the almost all of them were unanimous or in their chorus. Then and then it swayed the minds of people and confused some of our supporters.
Yep.
Don't what to aba know what the trust or to them what I shall answer. You don't take all of us for granted.
No.
But if it what's out of the abundance of the heart,
the mouth.
President, why you board over catch that this is not the priority of Ghanaians, you should be able to confront him. I'm a many
Yes.
Papa, I'm a many Jesus, now you push my credibility down there. I say many but for a Lawrence Tete, do benya kukudu. Papa no wadi. Papa no ye bia, Papa no ye gay. That Papa no ye gay.
I know say
you be on Ferrari, what did you know? No, what did ama? What did ama no? No. Papa Ghana, a Christian who was shame no be my one permanent abansama.
Yeah.
I bansam.
Oh yeah.
I bansam pa. My Felix. But the best and I share